What if the secret to a smarter AI was teaching it to think less? Let's get into it.
We usually assume that to get the best from an AI, you just have to crank it to max. But it turns out researchers found something pretty surprising. Sometimes trying harder makes the AI perform worse.
And that, right there, is a huge headache for AI developers. Let's break down why.
See, modern AIs have different thinking modes, from high effort to low to balanced performance and cost. Stick with high effort all the time. It gets super expensive and can even cause errors. It literally overthinks. But if you always go low effort to save cash, well, the AI just isn't powerful enough for complex tasks.
So, how do you get the best of both worlds? The key isn't a fixed setting, but a smart, adaptive one. And that's where Aries comes in. Think of it like a smart thermostat, but for an AI's brain. It intelligently decides when the AI needs to think hard and when it can, take it easy. Okay, but how do you teach an AI to have that kind of judgment? Well, it's all about this clever training pipeline. It's kind of like a coach watching game tapes, right? Finding the most efficient way for a player to win. This whole process creates a dataset that teaches the router to be both effective and super efficient. So, does it actually work? Let's just say the results are pretty impressive. Basically, Eris hits that same top-tier performance as the high-effort mode, but for way, way less cost. I mean, look at this. In one test, RS cut the AI's thinking cost by more than half. And get this, in some cases, because it avoids overthinking, AIRS is actually more successful. Pretty wild. The big takeaway here is that the future of AI isn't just about raw power anymore. It's really about building smarter, wiser systems that know how to use their power efficiently. So maybe the smartest AI isn't the one that thinks the hardest, but the one that knows when not to?